Good morning. This day 2 on Wonder of the Seas. It is perfect day at CocoCay today. I'm looking a little rough. It was late night, early morning. So you can see we're coming into CocoCay right behind me. Well, we're turning sideways now so that we can back in. The way these ships move is very impressive. So we have CocoCay today. Basically, CocoCay is an extension of the ship, basically. So if you have a drink package on the ship, you can use it on the island. And my girls are going to do the water park there at CocoCay. We got those tickets on Black Friday for an amazing deal. So they're gonna do that. I'm gonna hang by the beach. So excited for today. Ready to be on a beach, sitting somewhere in the middle of December when back home it is cold and we get to catch a little bit of a tan today. So, all right, stay tuned for that and we will see what CocoCay is like. Now it's time to go get ready for a perfect day. Gotta get this fixed. Okay, it's time for a perfect day. Let's go. Here comes the kiddos. All right, I am so excited about today. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite thing about CocoCay. This is my first time visiting here and I am so excited to see the island, see what it's all about. So stay tuned. When you first walk up to Perfect Day, there's a lot of beautiful photo opportunities. You can catch one of the little shuttles, or you can walk the pier. It's really not that far of a walk. Then you're going to be greeted by the dancers and the music, which is just going to set the mood for the whole day. Perfect Day has several areas to enjoy. You've got your water park, chill island, all of these different areas. There's plenty of loungers for everybody. There's plenty of sea life to see, plenty of drinks, and plenty of snacks throughout the whole day. It's a seagull takeover. Wow. Time for a little snacky snack. Whew. There you go. Had a great time at Chill Island or Breezy Bay or something like that. Over by the beach. Lots of little fish. Super cute. Decided to make our way over here to Oasis Lagoon. It's a huge pool with these little chairs in the water. It's beautiful. We are on the hunt for Alexis and Mackenzie. Let's see. Oh, on the hunt for my kids. Found a bar. That's cool. Swim up bar.
About getting ice cream. I love ice cream.
CocoCay is really breathtaking. But when you're walking back to the ship at the end of the day and you can see these two truly magnificent ships side by side and you're sandwiched between them, that's really gonna top off the experience. It is absolutely gorgeous. We are ready for dinner. Day 2, we're actually gonna do the main dining room tonight. We've had a busy day at Perfect Day. Now we're ready for dinner and we're gonna see, this will be our first time going to the main dining room considering we went to Wonderland last night. Wonderland again is excellent, but I'm so excited for the main dining room. This is one of my favorite things about cruising is the food. So let's see what's on the menu tonight. So we decided to make some reservations. So on this ship, all the shows you need to make reservations for, most of them, all the big shows, or else you can't come in. They're going to take your C-Pass card at the beginning, make sure that you actually have a reservation in here. So this is 365, and it is the ice show in Studio B on Wonder of the Sea. So this is what the studio looks like. What do you think? Are you excited?
I am excited. And I want to ice skate too.
Set me free. 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 Set me free.
Now I want to talk about the 365 Ice Show. That show, I felt like the entire time I was just sitting there saying, oh wow, holy crap, oh my gosh. That show is impressive, super, super impressive. I mean, their production shows on Royal Caribbean are pretty good, or on cruise ships are pretty good, but that one is so impressive. The dancing and ice skating on a ship this big that is rocking back and forth is super impressive. I did not think that I would enjoy it at all, but that was cool. You need to see it. Alright, so checking out all the bars at the, I'm checking out the bars, she's checking out the music, and we've got a guy playing, I don't know what, but this is good music.
There's nothing Mama, anyway you feel, hey, wanna rock me.
You're supposed to tell me Rocky.
Rock me, mama, like wind and rain. Rock me, mama, like self-bound train. Rock me, behind she.
It's time for a wine shot. It's a big one.
There's nothing more feelings than red dirt road.
We decided to try out the Mason Jar bar. The Mason Jar is a specialty restaurant, but you can go to any of the specialty restaurant bars and order their drinks. So we are going to try, by we I mean me, the No Joke Spoken Coke and something with a peanut butter and jelly on it. I don't know what it's called, but I'm excited about it.
Oh, the next week he's coming to work. Are you sure? No, I don't know. I mean, most fire department usually
Thank
has a
you.
lot of people.
Do you need this trousseau?
Look how fancy we are with our little ice cube. Because I'm getting your face, it's pretty funny.
The ship got switched itself.
No, it's good. I like it. As usual, we gotta end the night.
I will be here, baby.
With a pizza.
While the cheek of sunshine only.
Okay, so that is it for day 2 on Wonder of the Seas. Me and my friend here, we've had a good night. Saw the ice show, had a perfect day at Coco Cay, first time ever doing that. Had pizza. I'll tell you what, pizza on Royal Caribbean, it's top notch. It's the best pizza at sea that I've had so far. Let me know in the comments below if you think otherwise, and if you've had better pizza, because I just don't think there is. I think the pizza here just knocks it out. I'm tired. We lose an hour of sleep tonight on this ship, which I've never done before while cruising. We usually just stay on ship time, port time, but apparently on this one we are moving forward another hour, so I am now going to be 2 hours ahead of home. So excited about it. Tomorrow's sea day. Gonna do a lot of things. Hopefully get to do the Abyss slide, some more water slides. They won't let me take the GoPro on that. Hang out by the pool and get a tan. A tan in December is amazing. So as for now, bye bye.